I was sent this BuBot 500p robotic pool cleaner and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here goes. Here's everything you get in the box. Opening this up for the first time. Got probably the retrieval hook and the power supply. Yep, and this one even has a floating handle. So their other product that I evaluated has that same floating handle. So this is a similar setup. It's kind of nice. This handle will float and you tie it down to the robot and then you can just pull it out of the water. Don't need to get your pole and hook out. But here's that hook, power cord, and a couple brushes for the bottom of the unit. And there's your power supply to plug it in. Here's the unit itself. First impressions, not super heavy, which is good. Sometimes these things are real heavy, hard to get out of the water. It's got what looks like a water vent here on the front where there's a fan in behind it, so it'll be blowing water through here. Charging right here on top. It's got a rubber cover, keep the elements here from getting corroded up. What'll happen is these plugs at times will start to catch some calcium on there and they'll be hard to clean. So this is helpful to slow that process down. And then you got your on switch right here that you're going to rotate. So off you go this way, on you rotate this way. And then I got some blue lights illuminating here, meaning it's probably ready to go. Another air or water flow through the back as it changes directions. You've got a clip on this side and this side. Pretty sure this will be to open the top. There we go. This has got your battery and your propulsion system in here. And this is going to be your screen with all the debris be caught in this bottom here. So all we'll have to do is wash this out when we're ready and spray the screen clean. You've got your inlet here where the debris is going to come flowing up through the unit. Got some weights here. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and install, these are the brushes. It'll help loosen up debris on the bottom of the pool. Clip into place. Ready to go. Lock that into place. All right, we're ready to go. Let's throw this in the pool and see how it does. Now this is the kind of cleaner that's going to go back and forth in random patterns and clean the bottom. And these do a really good job on picking up all kinds of debris in the bottom. So if you got a pool with a lot of leaves or you get a lot of dust blown in your pool, these kind of great for that because it's just going to bounce around, come to the wall, turn around direction, and just continue with random motions. It's not going to climb walls like some others do, but they're going to very rapidly change direction and continue to cover more parts of the floor. But yeah, you can see that it goes to a wall, it bounces back, and then immediately goes in the other direction. So you're getting a lot of activity out of this. And when the pool cleaner is done, it'll typically stop at a wall. So that way it's easier to reach down and get it. It senses that the battery's getting low and that it's near a wall, and then it'll stop. And you just grab this handle and take it out. Let's clean it. All right, so let's see how it did. Remove the top. You can already see some grime on that filter screen. And yeah, it did a good job. Keep some that really fine sand in the filter, which is great. And then inside the machine, we got all kinds of dead bugs and dirt and stuff in there. And really got a a good job of all this sand that it collected from the bottom and retained it. And you just see all this crud in the sink. So easy to clean. All done, we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and charge this back up, and then we'll go ahead, get it back out there and clean some more. So hey, I hope this video was helpful to learn a little bit about this BuBlue 500P and see how this machine works. Hopefully this will work out for your pool, and you'll enjoy it as well. Hey, I hope this video is helpful. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.